The Speediance Home Gym is a game changer for anyone serious about home workouts. If you are curious about the latest price of this home gym, you can check it out from the description below. This multifunctional Smith machine, also called the Gym Monster 2, is designed to combine multiple gym stations into one sleek unit, offering a comprehensive full-body workout without needing to visit a commercial gym. The standout feature is its smart AI-powered system, which tracks your performance and recommends the ideal weight for each set, helping you progress safely and efficiently. Built with robust alloy steel, the Speediance Home Gym weighs 172 pounds and offers a compact footprint that fits comfortably in most home spaces. Its 11 adjustable height levels, integrated squat rack, pulley systems, and bench make it highly versatile for exercises targeting the back, core, chest, legs, and arms. Users will also appreciate the AeroRow rowing bench and the upgraded cooling system, which makes longer workouts more comfortable and enjoyable. On the audio side, the 2.1-channel speaker delivers motivating sound during training, enhancing the overall experience. Safety is another priority. If the barbell balance shifts or retracting speed exceeds safe limits, the system automatically engages the weight safety mechanism, ensuring protection during your workouts. While this home gym is slightly heavier and requires some space for installation, its multifunctionality and AI features more than justify the investment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced athlete, this machine adapts to your level, making every session more effective and engaging. For anyone looking to take their home fitness to the next level, the Speediance Gym Monster 2 offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to see the latest pricing and availability, and take the first step toward upgrading your home workouts.